Hello everyone! Good day sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayo around the globe. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And of course, I am your magandang host, Vivian Cruz or Queen V, welcoming you to another exciting episode of Get Starstruck. Get Starstruck was created para po sa lahat ng Filipino sa buong mundo. You may be an immigrant, OFW, or a citizen of another country, and you may be miles away from the Philippines, but we know that your heart still longs for this, which is anything Pinoy. So sa mga naho-homesick po diyan, allow us to bring smiles to your faces by bringing to you your favorite Philippine artists and celebrities. Diba? Dito po, kaya tayo unique. Hindi lang tayo mapapanood. Mayroon din kayong chance na makausap sila virtually in real time. O, di ba? We are the first. How? You may be one of our participants in the show. That is, if you subscribe and like our page, and also, you must click the bell button to receive notifications for new uploads and live streams. Also, what is in store for you today? So dito, meron kaming Celebrity Slam Book. Dito, you can ask 10 questions sa ating guest celebrity. Okay? Then, kung dancing or singing or makipag-compete naman sa favorite celebrity mo ang type mong gawin, you can do all those in our segment, Celebrity Hangout. And lastly, meron ka namang gustong pasiyahing tao or gusto mo siyang i-nominate para ma-surprise and mabigyan ng kanyang favorite celebrity ng small token sa portion naming You've Made My Day. O, di ba? Punong-puno po tayo. Lahat ng yan ay mawi-witness natin ngayon. But of course, this will not be possible kung wala ang celebrity guest natin. Alright? So, I'm so excited for today kasi sa totoo lang, this celebrity guest of ours doesn't need any introduction. Kasi ito lang masasabi ko sa kanya. Sobrang galing umarte. Grabe. I have been watching her movies even when she was just a budding young girl noon. Ang pinaka-favorite ko, yung maliit pa siya. I think she was in her teens and then she was saying, kasama niya yung sister niya si Asunta sa movie. I think it was Hubog. Yung ganun siya na ganun. Hamburger. So ngayon, nagtino kami sa Canada, pero yung kids ko, sobrang nare-recall yun. Na kapag nagba-barbecue kami ng hamburgers, yun yung sinasabi nila. Right? Also then, guys, na-impress din ako sa rendition ng guest natin ng Two Less Lonely People in the World. Oh, parang gusto ko tapos makipag-duet, di ba? Singer din po siya. And that is something that not all of you know. Okay? Pero dahil gusto ko muna kayong pasabikin, bigyan ko muna kayo ng trivia. She is a Filipino-Italian actress. Diba? But she was born in England though. Ito yung mga long list of achievements niya. Sa FAMAS, she was Best Supporting Actress for Azucena. Ay, gusto ko to. Gusto ko talaga to. Also, in Gawad Urian, Best Supporting Actress siya for Santa Nina. And then for ASEAN International Film Festival and Awards, Best Actress naman din siya ulit for Santa Nina. For Cinemuan Originals Digital Film Festival, Best Actress again for Lucid. Wow, ito yung pinaka-recent, no? Maraming pa pong iba. Sa dami po ng kanyang awards and nominations, nako, baka kulang pa po yung show natin. Sobrang galing nitong actress na ito. So ladies and gents, it is my honor to welcome in the show, Miss Alessandra De Rossi. Oh!
Hello! Hi!
Hi, Alex!
And to everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, kung anumang party kayo ng mundo. Just good.
Thank you. You will be interviewing you later after this kasi gusto ko muna silang mas pasabikin. But Gio E. Capelli to you. Oh!
Wow.
Italian ba yun? Sinunod ko lang yung lighter ko. Gio E. Capelli.
Ano daw
Naintindihan
yun?
mo ba yun?
Actually, hindi eh. Hindi ko alam. Kapeli na naintindihan ko. Buhok yun. Pero hindi ko na alam yung isa. Let your hair down, I think.
Yeah, I
I
think
don't
it's called, it means hats off to you.
Ganon. Kapeli!
Capelli! Yun!
Kaya naman pala.
Yung Capelli, Alex. Thank you. May tutorial lesson ako this morning.
Don't trust me, don't trust me.
You'll know about Alex later, guys, sa pagbabalik po natin. Also, 3 lucky fans will have a chance to ask Alex live in our Celebrity Slam Book. So watch out for that. Okay?
This show is brought to you in part by... For great home renovation services that fit your budget, please contact Dennis Vassell of All Seasons Home Renovations in Toronto. Vivian De La Cruz, Independent Consultant and Regional Vice President with Arbonne International. For vegan skincare, nutrition, and personal care with the most effective ingredients, please contact Vivian. If you're new to Canada, real estate expert Jaisal Aquino of City Savvy is at your service. Call her so she can help you find your dream home. Need a wedding singer, talent for voiceover, or a live performer? Contact Rhett De La Cruz and subscribe to his channel at Rhett Radio using the link below. CAV Digital Media for digital marketing, web content management, and search engine optimization. For gold standard laser technology for your skin and body needs, visit Silk Aesthetic Skin and Body Clinic. Find us on Instagram and on Facebook at Silk Aesthetic PH. Are you interested in becoming a dental assistant? The La Peña Dental Group in Los Angeles, California operates a school for dental assisting where you will be trained through a 3-month DA course.
We searched the world over to find the very best ingredients to transform our RE9 Advanced into the most effective products available to help skin look visibly rejuvenated and more youthful. Introducing the new and improved RE9 Advanced Collection. The secret to this revolutionary formula starts with an orange. Yes, it's as simple as vitamin C. Stem cells extracted from oranges help minimize the look of wrinkles and enhance the appearance of elasticity and hydration. Next, we added antioxidants and peptides. Clinical testing showed RE9 Advanced not only matched the performance of a leading dermatological brand, but did so with cleaner formulas and more botanically based ingredients. It's time to experience the pure joy of Arbonne's new and improved RE9 Advanced collection. Groundbreaking, life-changing, the new gold standard in anti-aging.
And we're back! Oh my gosh, sobrang thankful kami kay God kasi talagang blessed na blessed yung show namin. You know why? Yung first episode namin, yung Hank ng Bayan, super crush ko na si Derek Ramsey. Ako ang totoong na starstruck. So, ng episode pa lang. And then next was the entrepreneur/teleserye king na si Sir Chief Richard Yap. And ngayon naman, ang very talented dramatic actress with 9 awards and 28 nominations. Wow! Oh my, we're truly blessed. Hi, Alessandra. Thank you so much for gracing our show. And thank you for making the Filipinos scattered around the globe happy to be spending this time with you. Welcome to our show, Alex.
Hello, hello. Hello po sa ating mga kababayan, wherever you are. I'm here.
Nice.
Wow.
Andyan siya. Wow.
Yeah, I'm here. Wow. Yeah.
Thank you. As I've said, napakagaling mong artista. And I'm sure marami na nagsabi sa'yo niyan. And again, sobrang thank you kasi nakikita we're being watched all over the globe, lahat ng OFWs and immigrants. So, sobrang thank you for saying yes. So,
Yes.
here, this is our first segment. And we have 3 lucky fans of yours na magkakaroon ng chance to ask you 30 questions para naman lalo ka pa nilang makilala as a celebrity icon para sa kanila. And here are our 3 lucky fans for today. Number 1, si Ronavio Galano. Hello, Ronavio, and she's from Bulacan.
Hello po.
Hi, Ronavio.
Hi, hi.
Hello po.
Idol mo ba si Alex? Not idol.
Sobra.
Idol ko pala si
Lagi
Alex.
yan nagko-comment sa mga live eh. Naalala ko yung pangalan.
Oh, really?
Ronavio. Oo.
Wow, Wow, so talagang
Opo.
masugid na tagahanga.
Na actually,
Apo.
binayaran ko siya para pumunta. Joke lang.
Hindi yun totoo.
Wala ka ng pera, girl. Sabi
Oo nga pala, sorry.
Chumichismis sa'yo, huwag ka na
Sorry,
pagbayad. Sabi sa mga, mabibless ka lalo, pag namimigay ka lagi. Thank you, Ronavio. Happy ka ba?
Opo, sobra po.
Oh, thank you. So, yung next naman natin ay si Casey Redoble from Taguig. Hi, Casey. Casey, masaya ka ba? Hello.
Hi!
Mag-hi ka naman sa iyong favorite celebrity.
How are you? Hello po. Ang ganda ng glasses, ha? I like you.
Naks, o, diba?
Oo,
Diba? Bigay mo na kay Alex
Okay.
yan.
Sobra. Tara siyang pera. Charot.
Thank you,
Hi,
Casey.
thank
And
you, Casey.
of course, we have Ella Hilario from, I think she's from Pangasinan. Hello, Ella. Ella.
Ella.
Hi po.
Hi, Ella. Buti naman nagsasalita ka para sa personal.
Hi.
Hi. Saan ka sa Pangasinan?
Opo.
Saan ka
Bulacan
daw?
po. I'm from
Saan?
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Bulacan. Not
Bulacan.
Pangasinan.
Naman.
Inilayo nyo masyado.
Mali
Bulacan.
yung nagsulat.
Bulacan.
Bulacan pala siya.
Ang layo.
So, do you really follow
Hello po. Gusto ko lang
Alex?
sabihin na ang ganda ng mga... Yes po. Lalo na pakinggan niyo yung mga albums niya. The best yun.
Wow.
Yung eyeball?
Albums daw.
Albums? Pingi ko talaga. Oh, ang ganda na ng mga albums. Okay, thank you, Ella. Okay, so now, maraming salamat. Now, let's start with, isa na natin yung 30 questions natin. Celebrity Slambog with Ronavio. Go ahead.
So ito po, what was your first project?
My first project, feeling ko yung DATS, kasama yung kapatid ko. Yun yung
Did you ever-
after. Oh, go.
Did you ever audition for a role and not get the part?
Nag-audition ako sa GMA, parang talent center. Hindi nila ako kinuha, so nag-ABS ako, tapos kinuha nila ako.
Favorite movie you made?
Favorite movie? All. Pwede all. Sige, kita.
Favorite role you played?
Favorite role I played? Siguro si Jen, kasi just because kalbo siya, wala na ako ibang reason. Trip ko
Favorite
lang.
leading man?
Empoy, Papa P.
What is your dream role?
My dream role is to, I don't know, Sirena, pero hindi na kasi pwede, matanda na ako eh. So, octopus na lang.
Movie that made you cry?
I Am Sam. Yon.
Most embarrassing moment?
Most embarrassing moment every day. Pinagsasabi ko, tapos pagsisiyang ko lang. Pero, I rise. Charot.
When you receive good news, who is the first person you called?
It depends on the good news. If it's money, I call my mother. If it's something else, I call my best friends. But it depends.
Who do you want to be by your side when you're in pain?
My mother!
Thank you po.
Nice. Thank you. And now we go to Casey Redoble. Go ahead, girl.
What is the funniest thing you read about yourself?
Funniest thing, mataas daw ang cost of living ko. Charot.
Yun. I knew you were gonna say that.
Sorry.
Who are you? Who are you as a daughter?
As a daughter, I'm the best. Charot. Just ask my mother. Ang hirap naman purihin ang sarili.
Describe yourself as a sister in one word.
The best pa rin. In all fairness naman. Yeah.
What kind of a friend are you?
The best pa rin. I'll give you everything.
How are you as a lover?
I'll give you everything too. Sa friend nga, binibigay ko lover pa. Oo.
Biggest sacrifice you did for love.
Ang biggest sacrifice, Wala, hiniwalayan ko para magtino. Oo, okay, hindi pa rin siya tumino. Okay naman din. Mm.
How often do you visit Italy?
Mga every 3 years, 5 years, depende kung gaano ka busy. Pero yung last ko doon matagal na.
Best place in Italy?
Bahay namin, hindi ako maalis. As in, wala akong pakialam kung anong sightseeing dyan. No.
Wow.
No.
Somebody.
What is the one thing you love to master?
Siguro, hindi naman master, but maybe mag-gitara, yung magtuto lang mag-konting strum, para makijam ako, pero hindi talaga kaya. Maybe one day, yeah.
What do you consider your good habit?
My good habit? Ito. Todo na po. Todo na to. Todo na.
Todo na. Okay. Thank you, Casey. And now we go to our last participant, Ella Hilario. Go ahead, Ella.
How about a bad habit?
Bad habit? Ito na rin yun. Todo na rin to.
Good or
Hindi ako mag-adjust. Ito na yun.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
I'm an early bird, but sometimes I'm a night owl, but still an early bird. Imposible hindi ako magising na maaga. Wala. Ayaw talaga.
What song describes your feeling right now?
My feeling, staying alive. Oh, we're trying, guys.
Oh my God!
Do you see yourselves after 5 years from now?
Diyos ko, 5 years. Sa state of calamity pa rin. Makikita na, depende. Pagka nandun pa rin eh. I cannot see the future right now, but we'll see. I don't know. Yes.
Name a Filipino actor or actress who has made you most starstruck.
Starstruck? Sarili ko. Nung tumingin ako sa salamin, sabi ko, my God, si Alex ba to? Oo. Ne, kasi mababait naman
Ikaw
sila.
na yan.
So, walang reason para ma-starstruck ka kahit kanino kasi sobrang okay nilang lahat.
Wow.
Next, finish the sentence for us. My first crush was
yung nasa ET, yung bata doon, yung gwapo, yun, crush namin, Elliot, crush namin ni Asunta. Oo.
My ideal man was, it should be
is yung ipaglalaban ako, tsaka yung tanggap yung mga, kung ako, kahit tumambling ako, mag-split ako, tanggap niya, sabi, ang ganda mo, girl, tuloy mo lang yan. Yung ganda.
My dream wedding is?
Sa beach sana, tapos 3 lang kami, ako, yung groom, tsaka yung pare, ayoko ng bisita.
Really?
So, most romantic gesture you ever did?
Most romantic gesture? Ewan ko, hindi ko na maalala. Hindi na ako romantic. I'm so unromantic. Romantic!
Which one is more romantic? A hug or a kiss?
Hug ako. I'm a hugger. Sobra. Kaya lang I hug everyone.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you. Grabe, thank you to all the 3 participants who just asked Alex. Sobrang sana natuwa kayo sa mga sagot niya ngayon. Ang ganda kaya ng mga nalalaman natin all this info about our favorite celebrities, right? So, gustong-gusto ko doon yung I didn't know na nag-audition ka pala sa GMA.
Oo, buti na lang hindi ako tinanggap.
Kaya ba naman daw sa ABS? Galing mo pa naman. So, and ang favorite mo pala sa lahat ng mga movies na ginawa mo? Kita-kita, pagkatapos si Empoy, yung and then yung role as Jen. Why is it so very important to you that, sabi mo dahil kalbo ka?
Yeah. Pangarap ko kasi yun eh. Dream role ko yun eh, yung kalbo.
Parang Sinead O'Connor.
Yeah, nagawa ko siya. So, syempre, one for the books yun. But it's not my favorite film. It's just my favorite role.
Okay. Yeah. What about yung, di ba nakalbo ka rin supposedly dun sa Through Nanyang Day?
Yun nga yun. Yun yun.
Empoy.
Yun yun. Jen, yun yung character, si Jen.
Oh, dito na ako. Kita-kita pa rin. Okay, tinan mo. Kasi recently, ay nag-marathon talaga ako sa lahat ng mga pelikula mo. Okay, yun. Kaya mo gusto kasi nakalbo ka. And sabi mo, gusto mong maging sirena. Pero dahil octopus na lang.
Oo, kasi nung bata ako talaga promise, as in, pray ako ng pray, maging sirena ako. Sabi ng mami ko, anak, hindi mangyayari yon. Sabi ko, sabi mo with all your heart pag nag-pray ka with all your heart, totoo mangyayari. Anak, may mga bagay na imposible sa mundo. So, tinigil ko siya. Tapos, nung 21 ako, sirena ako sa first music video ko.
Oh, nice! O, diba? Baka ako naman ang too late na. Gusto ba ako isama dyan as Ursula?
Pwede natin gawin. Oo. Medyo,
Never too late for anything, right?
Kailan kasi medyo may ganun na. So parang pag underwater, feeling ko pag na-slow mo yun, sabi ng mga arms mo, ay! Ano ba, bat ba siya o stingray? Charot.
Talaga.
Okay na lang.
Bad girl. Anyway, so salamat din dahil sinabi mo sa amin na pag good news, mami mo tinatawagan. That's very true. I think lahat and of course, sabi mo, you are the best friend one could ever have, the best lover, the best sister. What I like about you is that you're very candid, right? Kung ano may good habits, bad habits, hindi nyo rehearse, talagang ikaw na yon. So raw, so real.
Pasensya na po.
So authentic. And of course, sa lahat ng pinakagusto ko ay yung sinabi mo na your favorite. How do you feel right now?
Staying alive. Staying alive.
Diba?
Parang araw-araw yun ang kanta ko eh.
Walang.
Parang ganun eh. Oo,
diba?
we're all trying to stay alive eh. Basta stay alive.
You're so real. Wala kang bahid ng kaplastikan or pretensions. That's why people like you. Well, you may not please everyone, right? But at least ang mahalaga doon, we are true to ourselves.
Yeah. Pag hindi kita na please, wala akong pake, hindi man kita kilala.
Yes. And of course, we only have one person to please. Si God lang naman eh. We're not here to please
and our parents. To make our parents proud.
Yes.
That's all.
I
the
like
rest
your values,
na ma-disappoint sa'yo, parang hindi nyo ako pinalaki. You don't know where I'm coming from, so shut up. You don't know me. No.
Very candid, very real. That's Alessandra De Rossi for you guys. So, bago tayo move forward, again, maraming salamat sa mga sinagot mo. Marami kaming nalaman sa inyo. There are more things that will offer you after this, but before yan, it's time to greet some friends here. Shoutouts and greetings to happy birthday to Mandy Camarce, September 13, Charles Darren Valencia, September 15, Haven Turner, September 16, Dawn Turner, September 28, makilala ko to TJ Apante, September 27, Marina Pura of New Jersey, September 25, Charlie Vasquez, September 12, happy first year anniversary in the US to Robert, Cheryl, and Jacob Kilao. Mga kaibigan, si Robert po, siya po yung director ng show natin. Woo! Robert used to work for, I think, ABS, right? ABS. So, happy first year in North America, actually in California. And also, of course, thank you to our sponsors.
This show is brought to you in part by Jadine Valencia, independent consultant with Arbonne International. For healthier mind, stronger body, and more beautiful skin using the safest plant-based ingredients, please contact Jadine. If you're new to Canada, real estate expert Jaisal Aquino of City Savvy is at your service. Call her so she can help you find your dream home. Need a wedding singer, talent for voiceover, or a live performer? Contact Rhett De La Cruz and subscribe to his channel at Rhett Radio using the link below. CAV Digital Media for digital marketing, web content management, and search engine optimization.
Okay, so when we come back, guys, we'll feature another lucky fan in our Celebrity Hangout. Masaya to, huwag kayong aalis.
Up next
Si
on Get
Gemmark
Starstruck.
Andrada. Ano niya? Sample nga dyan, Gemmark. Oh, yung stress. Yung tap na laban.
Ti ka ba, Ti?
Bakit?
O, tinamaan ako sa'yo.
Alam mo, buti pa ang sinaing binabantayan. I love you, Alex. Hindi na line yun ah. Yun na yun.
Totoo na ba?
Oh!
I love you too.
Let's welcome Christine Chi from Qatar.
Ito, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Mga aspiring artists and singers po kasi kami.
Wow. Let's go for it. Hair mo pa lang. Sabi
Ewan ko ba, iyak lang ako nang iyak. Sabi ko, naubos na yung tissue ko. Ano ba to, guys?
Sabi
Sabi na ako ng
Qatar.